Mylifefuls. Welcome back to the channel. So I just have a quick little Costco haul here. We're getting ready to go back on E2M. Tomorrow is Monday. Today's Sunday, March the 6th, I believe. Yeah, March the 6th. So I'm going to meal plan today. This is E2M's cookbook. I don't want to make it super, the recipes are not hard, but I want to make it simple too, because they do talk about keep it simple. So I do have some go-to recipes. Also, I have some recipes I can use from the Facebook group. It's kind of branched off from E2M, but it's not. They got permission to make the group, but they have people over there that makes lots of meal ideas and stuff that are really helpful. So we really want to go full-fledged, get ready for the summertime this round, and some of these pounds that we have picked up to drop. So this is it's an Amazon. I'll make sure I put in my Amazon storefront or the link down below. Beef and poultry, and they have a new one that just came out called seafood and salads. That one will be delivered sometime today. I thought it would come earlier, but anyway, I just do my best with this. Let's see. And I'll show you the Costco haul. Maybe I'll show you the meal plan. I do want to cook a couple of meals for the boys. Simple meals. They can't eat what we eat, but sometimes when they eat what we eat, it goes even quicker. Especially when usually JJ asks for the chicken or something like that, it goes quicker. So I just want to also incorporate some meals. They need carbs in their meal, starches, and they need to eat the food from the food pantry or just any other pantry that we have, that we have here. So let's turn this camera around and get started. Okay, I did an Instacart delivery because I know today was going to be a madhouse at Costco. I did rather go in there. But anyway, I did get some Classico spaghetti sauce because we're running a little bit low. Then I love this chicken apple sausage. I did like a YouTube short where I made this. I like the turkey sausage too, where I cut it up. I like to cut it in slices or cut it in half and put minced garlic with onions, and it just makes it taste so much better. It's good by itself, but so much better. Okay, I got some chicken tenderloins. I like this because the first round we used the big pieces, even the fresh chicken breast, and it was just really thick. It tastes like really chickeny. Y'all know that deep inside part of the chicken that may not get seasoned. So this is better. You can cut it up a little bit. I did start slicing it in half, but instead of doing all that work, I just get chicken tenderloins. So, or you can get, I think Costco has the thin chicken breast too, but it was like $28. So we're going to stick with this. I got some Dawn Power Wash. I love this stuff. And I think it's $3.50 off right now. We needed some more mayonnaise, even though we won't have mayonnaise unless it's a cheat day. But we didn't have any regular mayonnaise, so I went ahead and got that. She substituted this shrimp, raw tail on, peeled and deveined. Yeah, this shrimp. I can't remember which one I asked for, but this one's fine. And it is, I don't know how many pounds it is, but I like getting this and getting it at the other stores because it costs more. I love the blend. It's salt, pepper, and the garlic. I use just this about on everything, even when I have popcorn sometimes. I mean, it is good. Let's see. I got a chicken for quick meals or to go with something. Usually, I put my chicken back in the oven for a couple of minutes. So, even at Sam's. It looks a little small to be Costco, but it's okay. Okay, so then I got some broccoli florets. Usually, I cook this up with some onions, saute it in the pan. I like it that way. I do freeze it sometimes if I don't get to it right away, and it cooks just fine. I got some minced garlic because I've been cooking with this quite much. I may cook with this with broccoli, with chicken. I also like to cook the chicken with E2M with the garlic paste or the ginger paste, and also the apple chicken sausage, minced garlic. Probably with cabbage. I'm not sure what else, y'all. I got some ground beef. This is $85.15. E2M, you are supposed to have like $80.93, I believe. But this will be fine. All right, we got some mixed nuts. I do prefer the mixed nuts. I can have these, but we like the ones from Sam's. Haven't I could have did Instacart from Sam's, but they're driving a distance to Sam's and you feel like you need to tip a little bit more. So yeah, I'd rather go there in person. I got some peanut butter for Saya. I'm sure Jason will have a sandwich occasionally on cheat day. We were running low. We done went through 2 of these. I think he has maybe about this much left. And yeah, he eats peanut butter about every day for lunch, every day. And then we got some more eggs. We do have another thing full of eggs, and we got a big case of water. I really should have told him to get us 2 cases, but I didn't want to bog down the driver. So maybe after school, I'll run up there and get some more water or somewhere. I did want some salmon, but it was really expensive, and it was like the big long slab. And that's one of my favorite meals to eat on E2M. Or to eat, you know, trying to cut calories. So what I probably will do is get one from Aldi. Walmart's is okay. I done had it several times because I was in there and I just wanted some. But from Aldi, the fresh, and usually they just have the little small, because sometimes when I get the long one, if I don't put it up, it'll go bad. And yeah, so that's it, y'all. Okay, some of you all probably do care, but Trail gave me a $25 gift card. I didn't show, because I like sometimes showing what the boys got me for a gift or something, because they'll watch my story or something just so they can feel great, feel good. So anyway, I don't like to show one and not the other. So I didn't have like JJ's in front of me at the time. JJ got me like a journal. I'm trying to think if it was something else. A journal and something else. I can't remember what it was. A writer? What are you talking about? Where your gift at? Okay, y'all. So anyway, so Truck gave me a $25 gift card. So I went in Bath and Body Works because I had some coupons too that expired today. You guys probably had the same ones. Expired on March the 6th. I was looking for my little birthday coupon, y'all, and they didn't give me one this year. I know Renee. Hey Renee, if you're watching, Queen Renee, she usually she'll let me know when they have semi-annual and stuff like that. But I kind of keep up with it now, y'all. So I got some antibacterial hand spray. This was free with the coupon. And I seen this before. This holds the spray. I seen this before, and they had some in the store this time. I saw it online before. So I grabbed that. It was $12.95, but I had a 20% off coupon. I got this for free, the Cocoa Paradise. This smells pretty good. So I may end up getting a bigger lotion. And then I just got the wallflowers today. 5 for $27, but I had 20% off. And I got some different scents, even though I love the Spearmint, this aromatherapy, stress-free. So this is the white tea and sage. This one smells good. So I have this one at the top of the stairs right now in the plug outlet. So I end up getting 2 of those. And then the Cocoa Paradise. Let's see. The Yuzu, y'all see it. White pineapple. And then lastly, I didn't know to get this or soap because I do need some soap. Some bergamot and birch. So usually I don't go in there in the spring and the summertime to get their new scents, but I kind of, you know, wanted to see what they had for this season because I usually get fall and Christmas. But anyway, y'all, I'll let you go and I'll see you in the very next video. Oh, well, I might show you my meal plan. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys, so I did a meal plan for this week. Over here is our meal plan, Jason and I. This is the E2M cookbook. In the back, they have a meal planner, and then they have like a water tracker over here. So I'll start using this tomorrow. I did print this before, but I need to actually cut the pages or use a razor blade, cut the pages out and make copies. This time I just wrote in it, but I did make copies in there somewhere, but I didn't want that to hold me back. And then over here's the weekly exercise page, and then your monthly habits over here. So they do have some pages. I may see if I can find them on the website, and because Jason loves to use those, and I print out several of them, and he just checks off he did his water, He did his exercise. He ate on plan. He fasted. I can't remember what else is on there. I don't know if it's vitamins or not. Anyway, so, and then he'll write his weight and stuff like that on there. I kind of track more in detail, like in what I ate and stuff like that. I did that for like the first 2 weeks, maybe 3, and then I stopped. But he did his for a long time. But anyway, y'all, this is new. This is again in their E2M cookbook. The seafood and salad, again, is supposed to come sometime today by Amazon. And then I'll just look at that, but incorporate that next week. So I did my grocery list already. All this stuff came from Costco. I did add a couple of things, some ginger paste here, and I didn't want to add too much more, but I did get some carrots, some zucchini. I did put zucchini, carrots, green pepper, and 3 tricolor peppers. I want to get some fresh ones. I do have some frozen in there, but I want to get some fresh ones for some of the recipes that I decided to do. Some lemons. I thought I ordered that by Costco, but I guess either I didn't hit add or either they didn't have any, and Brussels sprouts. So I want to make this as simple as possible because, again, I have schoolwork, and then I'm trying, of course, I have to clean up, pick up my kids, do all those different things. Yeah, and then I'm trying to upload, and then going back on this meal plan, working out and all those things. So the first day, I'm going to make garlic herb burgers because I didn't put the hamburger in the freezer. I have it already in the fridge. And I don't think I want chicken tomorrow because we had actually Chipotle twice. It was so good yesterday, y'all. So I wanted to have it today. And for me, usually when I have it the second day, it has to be really good. It's not usually, something's not good the second time I had it. I don't know why, but anyway, I wrote the page number, and it's also with carrot fries. And I can't really show y'all the recipe because it's just the E2M thing, and then I don't want to give stuff away for free, because they're trying to sell their cookbooks. So then the snack, usually when we first started E2M, we did like 3 meals, and then after a while, 3 meals is too much. Usually a snack is usually like mixed nuts. It could be boiled egg, whatever you decide for it to be. So I figured I'll make this egg salad, and I actually saw this on the Facebook group page in the meals. I think it's called Meal Inspirations. So I saved this, and instead of mayonnaise, they use Dijon mustard. So that's kind of how they made the deviled eggs too. And it was good. Roasted cabbage, I went ahead and added that in, and that's just cutting the, did I put cabbage over here? I didn't put cabbage here. Just cutting the lead. Y'all probably seen roasted cabbage where they slice it, and then they'll season the cabbage head. Some zucchini boats. And so to correspond, this is what I'm going to make for the boys, because I noticed that when I had to focus on my meal plan so I can lose weight, but I noticed the boys started to, when I wasn't doing E2M perfectly, I shouldn't say perfectly, but I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do, like teeter-tottering back and forth. They were starting to, JJ has his own money and stuff, order DoorDash. They were starting to, I was bringing in snacks in like the second round. I started bringing in snacks. And then they would, Josiah would sneak a snack. And I know he's going through that phase. Now, I don't want no side comments because I will block people in a heartbeat. I noticed that, because I just noticed these things on my own. I noticed that Sai will sneak the granola bars, and he'll have way too many. He was doing that with the Pop-Tarts, and that probably was because simply I would make my food. They wouldn't want, what I eat, and they may have something that's quick, easy to fix, and then it's not necessarily healthy. Anyway, I just noticed, he was putting on a couple of pounds. Although I done had 3 kids, I know when they go through this certain age, they pick up more weight. When they go through that, so like between the middle school, elementary, the older elementary to middle school, they'll pick up weight, and then they drop it in high school. I had 3 kids. I don't know if you all noticed that or not. It may be different for different people. Their children, usually my children are active in some kind of sports. Also, because I'm not in they usually are in sports, but because I'm in school, that's a whole lot. And then it's a lot to it. These parents are just too into these sports and they don't let the kids have fun. And it's just a lot to it. So, and then Josiah is not into the sport. And so, and that's okay. That's fine. Where the other two boys, they were more in sports, especially Cottrell was into sports. So, every child is not the same. And so I just have to be more creative and like go around the track and take him with me to the track and stuff. But anyway, y'all, that's why I decided to do a meal plan for them, because even though they seemed like they were doing fine when we both were doing E2M strong, but now that football season is over for JJ, I know he's getting older. I can't control everything that he eats. They just, to say all that, they picked up some weight. So I want it to be a little bit more structured. So on Tuesday, they're having tacos, and we're going to have taco boats. So usually I have everything usually for tacos, but I usually don't have the shell. I know when we were really headstrong on E2M, doing really strict, I didn't have sour cream for them. I didn't have any cheese, but right now we do. So I'm going to make zucchini boats. I have the page number and some veggies. They're going to have tacos. I also try to incorporate stuff I know that they will eat, because Josiah is still a picky eater. Baked chicken, and I correspond the baked chicken with ours, so I'll make a little bit more, some broccoli, and then rice north sides. I will make, I have plenty of north sides, rice and noodles in there. I will pull that out because they need the carbohydrates. Leftovers. I'm sure there'll be leftovers, chicken, sausage, and veggies. It may be any veggies I may pull from up here. It could be the roasted cabbage. It could be broccoli. I like to get the frozen so I can just pull it out, throw it in the microwave, toss it in a bowl with some garlic or garlic paste or Mrs. Dash or something, and boom. Let's see. Then pizza. The chicken sausage. Our cheat meal will be Saturday, and here they'll be on their own, and a cheat meal, so it can be leftovers as well. Sunday, I didn't put anything for them, so it probably be something that we're eating. So salmon and cauliflower rice. So what I will do is, I think JJ will eat salmon, but I usually don't make that for all of them. No, maybe JJ won't. Jason doesn't care for fish like that. He will eat shrimp, but he don't really care for it like that. So I'll just figure out what they're going to have on Sunday. It may be like a meatloaf or something like that. Usually, too, when Jason don't care for the salmon, I'll make shrimp or some kind of shrimp stir fry as well. So that is our meal plan for this week. I have not did a meal plan in so long. So this week, I just want to plan out, of course, the meal plan that I shared with you guys, plan out my week. I have been working in my planner. I ain't worried about no stickers right now. There's spring break, when my spring break is, when I have a test, stuff like that. And, because I haven't showed, and I hate that some weeks I don't even put any stickers down. And some weeks I was like, this Disney week, I was like, I have to put my stickers down. So I put these, where do we go here? Magic Kingdom, and then Epcot, and then, no, this is Magic Kingdom. This is Disney Springs, and then Animal Kingdom. I think my cookbook is actually here, y'all, so I can show y'all. I think they just dropped it off. And then this is like the next week. This might be actually Disney week, or I don't know. Maybe it was the next week. But anyway, y'all, I'll let you go, and I'll see you in the next video.